Kids Learn Episode 19. Hi friends, today we'll learn about weights and prices. Let's solve some fun riddles to find out how much to pay for different fruits. Let's begin. 1 pound of apples costs $1. Tom buys 3 apples, and each apple weighs 2 pounds. How much does Tom have to pay? You're right. Your answer is correct. Each apple weighs 2 pounds, and Tom buys 3 apples. First, let's find out the total weight. 3 apples times 2 pounds equals 6 pounds. Since 1 pound costs $1, the total cost is 6 pounds times $1 equals $6. So, Tom has to pay $6. Are you ready for the next question? 1 pound of oranges costs $2. Sarah buys 5 oranges, and each orange weighs 1 pound. How much does Sarah need to pay? You're right. Your answer is correct. Each orange weighs 1 pound, and Sarah buys 5 oranges. Since each pound costs $2, we can find the total price by multiplying. 5 oranges times 1 pound equals 5 pounds. 5 pounds times $2 equals $10. So, Sarah needs to pay $10. Are you ready for the next question? 1 pound of watermelon costs $3. Jack buys 2 watermelons, and each watermelon weighs 4 pounds. How much money does Jack need to pay? You're right. Your answer is correct. Each watermelon weighs 4 pounds, and Jack buys 2 watermelons. First, let's find the total weight. 2 watermelons times 4 pounds equals 8 pounds. Since 1 pound costs $3, the total cost is 8 pounds times $3 equals $24. So, Jack needs to pay $24. Are you ready for the next question? 1 pound of bananas costs $1. Emma buys 6 bananas, and each banana weighs 0.5 pounds. How much does Emma need to pay? You're right. Your answer is correct. Each banana weighs 0.5 pounds, and Emma buys 6 bananas. First, let's find the total weight. 6 bananas times 0.5 pounds equals 3 pounds. Since 1 pound costs $1, the total cost is 3 pounds times $1 equals $3. So, Emma needs to pay $3. Are you ready for the next question? 1 pound of pears costs $2. Lucas buys 4 pears, and each pear weighs 3 pounds. How much does Lucas have to pay? You're right. Your answer is correct. Each pear weighs 3 pounds, and Lucas buys 4 pears. First, let's find the total weight. 4 pears times 3 pounds equals 12 pounds. Since 1 pound costs $2, the total cost is 12 pounds times $2 equals $24. So, Lucas has to pay $24. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, come again.